The first thing that I wrote down is you're not following one system. And what I mean by this is you are on YouTube trying to put together pieces of this business on how to make money with self-publishing. And you're grabbing bits and pieces from all over the place. And you're getting confused and frustrated, as you should be, because it's YouTube. It's really hard to learn stuff. It's not impossible, but it does make it a little bit more challenging. Look, the fastest way, and this will be extremely controversial for me to say this for obvious reasons, but the fastest way to scale or to get better at self-publishing is go buy a program. I almost swore there. Just go buy a program. That's the fastest way. I don't even care if it's mine. Just go buy one, because you'll just make money faster by following a program that goes from A to Z versus going on YouTube and trying to grab a whole bunch of different random videos and putting it together for yourself. There is stuff you're missing, and you don't know you're missing it until you've actually paid somebody money. They've given you a program and you're like, oh my God, there was so much more to it than I thought. That's just the God honest truth. And like I said, it doesn't have to be mine. It can be anybody's, but you will get better results by buying a program than you will just following random videos on YouTube. It's just how it is. When I want to learn something like paid ads or whatever part of whatever I need to learn, guess what I do? I usually do YouTube for a little bit to kind of get a sense of, get my bearings. And then I go find out, okay, who has the best? And I just go give them money and I go follow their stuff. That's just the fastest way of learning, because I don't want to take forever trying to put together everything. I just want somebody to say, here's exactly what you have to do. Here's what you don't want to do, and go do it. Boom. It's immediate feedback and it's immediate results. So that's what I would definitely suggest. Now, let's say you're in a program, you have to follow the program. And it doesn't mean follow parts of the program. It means follow the entire program from A to Z. Don't skip stuff. Inside those programs, the people who have created it, they have created it in a way that they know it's going to help their students get the absolute best results possible. So some of them are going to have like a coaching call. Some of them are going to have like a community group or whatever the case is. I can tell you without a shadow of a doubt that the top income producing students started being on every single call, were active in all the communities, and they're the ones that you see there all the time. And what happens over time is one day they just disappear. And it's not that they just decided to quit. It's just they reached the point where they didn't need any more help from the group, or they didn't need any more help from the Q&A call or from the the coaching call. And they're just making a lot of money. And so boom, then they come back and they're like, yeah, I just made like 50 grand last month. And you're like, I haven't seen you like so long. But when you're brand new and when you're struggling and when you're trying to figure out everything, the fastest way to improve is to be on every single coaching call. It's to be inside the group daily, asking questions, answering questions, seeing what people are doing, connecting with other members. Like, if you do those things, there is 0% chance that you won't succeed in this business. 0%. I've never seen it happen. Somebody who's like showing up to every call, who's in the group, asking questions, being involved, being a good student essentially, and not succeed in this business. It just doesn't happen. So there's your little secret if you're looking for one.